Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. Turner Construction, a world famous company which built the world's largest building, Burj Khalifa in Dubai. You know what it's doing now? It's busy in preparing to build the world's tallest statue in the coastal Gujarat. Look at every welfare scheme in the country. Look at every benefit plan in the country. It is named after a political leader. Why is India building the world's tallest statue today? Now, for a man who deceased 63 years ago. This statue is going to be 182 meters height, twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty in US. Is this statue important today at this juncture? Is an important question. Every political party today is claiming their association with the great leader Sardar Patel. A political party says they forgot him for many years, at least today let's remember him and build a statue. The another party says the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi statue, is just 70 feet height in Bihar. Why do you want to build a tallest statue spending close to $400 billion rupees? Huge money. Look at the state in Tamil Nadu. Every political party wants to build statues. For example, the Asia's longest beach called Marina Beach has become a burial ground of political leaders. The ruling party erected a 2-leaf statue some time ago, and they said it is not 2 leaves really, it is a victory symbol. Look at parties in Lucknow, look at parties in UP. They built huge parks with elephants and lions and big statues. Even small little children will not really enjoy going to those parks, seeing a lot of statue elephants. Is it really important for this country to spend so much money in building statues, which always becomes a political problem at some point of time? Look at a lot of times when a political leader's statue's hand is broken, there is a huge political rivalry. Right? When a common man is dead, when a common woman is raped and killed, nobody bothers. But if a political leader's statue's hand or nose is broken, then it becomes the biggest problem in this country. In my opinion, sincerely, these are all gimmicks of politics. I sincerely believe it is total nonsense to waste a lot of money like this in building statues and wasting the public money in artifacts and monuments like this. It would be really wonderful if politicians of this country kill their memorial mania and really focus on the real development of the people of this country and really live up to the morals and values of these great political leaders instead of building just their monuments and forgetting what they preached, what they taught, what they lived in their life. It's time, ladies and gentlemen, for us to think and move above and beyond the statue-based politics. Let's look at development-based politics, and that is the need of the hour. Thank you so much.